A project manager is working with their team to improve their risk assessment processes by utilizing additional metrics. To better prioritize risks, the team must correctly identify the definitions of these metrics. Match the descriptions provided on the left with the appropriate risk parameter on the right. The options are A. Dormancy, B. Urgency, C. Connectivity, and D. Proximity.
The specific matching criteria are: first, assess the amount of time before the risk can impact one or more project objectives. Second, assess if the risk is related to other individual project risks. Third, assess how quickly the risk response needs to be implemented in order to be effective. Finally, assess how long after a risk has occurred before its impact is discovered. This task requires a solid understanding of advanced risk assessment attributes beyond simple probability and impact.
In my view, the correct mapping is as follows. Proximity matches with the assessment of time before a risk impacts objectives. Connectivity refers to the degree of correlation between individual risks. Urgency addresses the time frame needed for a response to be effective. Finally, dormancy is the time elapsed between the occurrence of a risk and the discovery of its impact. It is important to distinguish these, as they offer more granular insight into how risks manifest and impact your project.
When tackling exam questions involving these parameters, think about the life cycle of a risk. Proximity is about the when of the impact, while urgency is about the when of the action. Connectivity helps identify cascading failures, and dormancy highlights the danger of hidden issues. Mastering these specific definitions is key, as they represent standard attributes in advanced project management frameworks. Always read the definition carefully to ensure you aren't confusing time of impact with time of detection.